What's going on, YouTube? We're back at another creek. Found this one on Google Maps. Figured we'd come down here and check it out. Kind of forgot to do the intro at the beginning, so I'm kind of doing this in the middle, and we've already caught a few fish. They were perch. Caught some kind of weird looking fish. Don't know what it is. If you guys know, comment in the comment section. I'll try to look it up later on and see what it is. I'm out here with my nephew. And I got my dad over there. He's still trying to catch fish. That's his bobber over there in the water.
Not the broken bobber.
He's got two over there. He's already broke one. It's just floating. But we're having fun, and it's a good day on the water. I mean, we're not catching no monsters or nothing, but fish is a fish to me, so just stay tuned.
Gotcha!
That's a bass?
I don't know what that is. No, that's a baby gar.
A baby gar?
Yeah,
How are you
I think.
to get that at?
No. What is that?
What is that? What is that?
I have no idea.
The sheep or chicky.
God. Well, it went back in the water. Go ahead. Think you got it. You ain't got it. You ain't got it. It's another one. What are these?
Look it up.
Alright, YouTube, that's the second one I done caught. Dad just got one too. Oh, there it's going. Oh man, I could put that bass in my tank.
Dang.
Oh wow.
My personal best.
Oh man. You gotta get real close here.
Make it look bigger when you get close?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's a beast.
Mine's bigger though.
Yeah.
Size don't matter though, I guess.
No. But yours. Oh God.
Here, give me that one. Grab a hold of it. Unhook it. You got it? Don't squeeze him too hard. Make him kiss. Boop, boop.
Ready?
You ready? Doubled up.
Yeah.
Doubled up. See, double up. Two little perches. Whoop, whoop. All right. Put it in the water. Yeah, he's trying to show you that. Pretty good size. It's got a red color to it. See it?
Can I release it?
Can you release him? Yeah, it's your fish. Put him back in. This.
Can't hold it.
Little baby cat. Mm-hmm. It was moving.
Is this hooked to you?
Got you that time. You want to play?
I'm gonna hold him. How?
Here, hold it real quick.